But my question to you would be about Berkshire Hathaway agent, let's say successful agent. Give me 2, 3 examples of what make them successful.
Wow. Not to sound cliche or redundant, but it's the number one is your activities. What are you doing throughout the day? Are you really focused on the areas that will grow your business? Or are you focused on the small tasks, the insignificant tasks that really aren't going to do much for your business? But you're checking a box. Feels good to check boxes, right?
Yeah.
It gives you that dopamine you need to do more. The problem is, are you doing the hard things first? Do the hard better. It was a quote I heard just recently, and I love that. Do hard better.
Do hard better.
Do hard better. And if you're doing that, then you're coming in, you're making your calls. If you're a cold caller or a warm caller, we call it, if you're a door knocker, you're doing that every single day. And you have a goal of what you're going to reach every single day before you stop doing that. So while you might block it in your calendar and you've got an idea of what it's going to take, you know that you may have to go back to that later if you didn't get to your goal. I mean, that's really how you start building your business. So what are our most successful agents doing? They're sticking to their tasks. They are I don't use the word time management, but they're time masters. They know exactly what they need to do to accomplish the tasks that drive their business, to accomplish their daily revenue commitment, which is what they're focused on, which ultimately accomplishes all of their goals throughout the year. So a big thing is sticking to the activities, watching your time, getting better on yourself as much as you are on your business. Because if you're improving yourself, you're improving your business. So it's not really one-sided, as so many people will say or drive you to, you got to do the activities, you got to do that. You do, but where's your mindset at? So you got to focus on your mindset and making sure you're in the correct place that you need to be in order to maximize the activities that you're doing.